Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you how to create an webmail on Namecheap hosting. In order to do that, all you need to do is you need to log into your Namecheap backend, profile area. From there, click on hosting list. Over here, you will find go to cPanel option. After clicking this go to cPanel, it will drive you on cPanel area. From here, you can search for email accounts, or you can simply scroll down a little bit and then you will find email accounts. From here, click on email accounts, and then you will have the list of your email addresses over here. In order to create new email address, you simply need to click on create, and from here, as you can see, like domain list over here, you need to select your preferred domain that you want to create your own email for. I'm looking for the domain encore.com, and I'm creating this email address, or info. And then what I will need to do, I will need set a new password. Simply I will click on generate. It will generate a new password, and then I will copy this password and then click on create. It says the account info Encore is already existing, so I need to add something different. For example, support. And then I'm keeping the same password. Then clicking on create. As you can see, it created a new email address under this encore.com domain. This is how you can create your webmail using any cPanel platform. I'm showing you over here on Namecheap. Now, from the list of the email addresses, I will look for the support@encore.com in order to check that it is actually made or not. Over here, as you can see, it says support under at encore.com. I just click on check email, and it drives me on the first time default email reader or the client end. It says open your inbox, set up your email on your devices. These are configuration files, and I'm simply picking open my inbox. When I log in, I check this box and then click on open. After some time, it will drive me on the inbox area of the webmail. Now I'm ready to send or receive email for the support@encore.com email address. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you're new here, please consider subscribing.